Hello everyone, in today's video I will quickly show you the best 5 iOS emulators for Windows. These tools let you test your iPhone, iPad or Mac apps right on your PC, legally and safely. So first is appetize.eu. It runs iOS app directly in your browser, no download needed, and it's great for demos and quick testing. Next is SmartFace. This one is for developers. It offers advanced testing, debugging tools, and cloud-based device simulations. Third is Corellium. This is a powerful platform used by professionals. It mainly for security testing and deep system analysis. Fourth is Lambda Test iOS Simulator. It's browser-based and very easy to use, perfect for UI testing and checking how apps look on iPhones and iPads. Last is Sauce Labs iOS Simulator. It is trusted cloud platform with accurate iOS simulation and automated testing. And that's it. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.